Hi everyone, I'm Francesca. This is a 2003 Silverado. I'm here to tell you about the wind noise that we get on these windows here after age. I'll show you my truck here. 2003 Silverado, paid about $6,000, and I did all the paint and body work on it. And if you notice, I don't have any rock chips here, and I took them all out by the pin. Matching paint you buy at your regular auto place. There were a lot of door dents, and definitely they're gone. And by using I guess you get it on eBay or whatever, and get a dent puller with a glue gun. I did the bed liner and added dual exhaust with 2 magnifold mufflers, number 3. Which gives you a nice rumble when you drive it. Sounds good, better performance. Did the step bars, and it has some major dents here, and they're gone. And as long as the paint's still there, you can pull it out with a glue gun. And it's 5.3, 315 horsepower, and also change the oil to a synthetic, which makes it perform a little better and runs really neat. So I'm getting 17 to 19 miles a gallon. I want to talk about the window. And the big problem here is the noise that you get through the window when you're driving. Now if you can push on the window while you're driving and you hear the air come in, you know that you're not making a good seal. Also, check your door hinges and make sure that you have no sag. You might have to replace the hinges. Here's a wire to show you a little bit of it, what I've done. And you just tuck it under here and just tuck it in here with your finger, and it should be good. So then go all around, and that tightens up the door with the cap. Major problem is right here. So I did the same thing with that. Tuck it under here with the 16 gauge wire. It's hard to show you because it really is a tight fit. It pops out the rubber all the way around, and you might see a little bit of the wire. And sometimes you need to tuck it in, but once we're in there, it's going to be in there for good. And if it pops out the rubber, it's going to make a tighter fit. Now also, using that coconut oil makes a difference. And I'll show you how to soften your rubber up with a simple product that one of my cosmetics things I use. It's for your skin, but that also softens rubber up. It's called coconut oil 100%. Do not use the other stuff at AutoZone or Auto Place that's not made for rubber. That will dry out the rubber. Anything to shine up rubber. And here's the 16 gauge wire. Just a few bucks. And it really knocked out my wind noise, for sure. This is a V8 5.3 motor, 315 horsepower, and it's pretty much restored to the original. Got the 17-inch tires, 17-inch wheels, and with some good tires on it. Really does grip in 4-wheel drive mode. So, hopefully this video helps on the 2003 Silverado. Could be a lot in many years as it comes. As the older the truck gets, rubber do deteriorate. So just keep up with the condition of your rubber seals, and they'll last a long time. Otherwise, major work to replace them. This is Francesca. Have a good day.